Get excited about the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 45,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, delay-off headlights, heated and ventilated seats, skid plates, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.